Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Now we're doing a series on miracles, signs, and wonders performed by Jesus and his disciples. So, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button. Drop a comment below and share this video with at least one more somebody. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time for click the subscribe button and the notification bell for make sure so you no miss none of what I go on right here so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as come to Matthew chapter 9 from verse 27 to verse 33. When Jesus did a left deso, two blind men did start follow him and did a bawl out, David Pitney, take pity upon we. When Jesus go in at the house, the two blind men them come to him. Jesus said to them, say, "Wanna believe say me can do this?" Them answer back, "Yes, Lord." Then Jesus touched them eye and say, "Cause una believe say me can make una see again, una go see again." And them eye open up. Then Jesus warned them off good and proper. Him say, "Look here now, make sure say nobody no know about this." But then left and tell everybody in that country there about what Jesus do for them. When Jesus and him follower them did a go away, people carry one man come where did have one demon in him and we couldn't chat. When Jesus run the demon from out of the man start chat and the people them frightened. Them say, nobody never yet seen nothing like a this happen in a Israel. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.